Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today I'm doing the spring cleaning of our living room. So we are in social isolation. We're not on full lockdown, but we're still on social isolation, and I've been trying to use this time just to do my normal spring cleaning that I do about 3 times a year. So what I'm going to be doing today in the living room is kind of all that heavy cleaning that I don't always do. I do it maybe not every single cleaning, and so I'm going to do things like washing blankets, cleaning baseboards, cleaning windows, and things like that I wouldn't do every single time I clean in the living room. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm gonna go ahead and link my playlist to our other spring cleaning videos in case you're interested in that. So let me go ahead and show you the before. Kind of got a messy desk area. Got Sophie's little chair that we've been using for her Zoom meetings for speech therapy, and it's kind of out of place. Got some shoes on the floor, some of Sophie's toys. Donkey horse is not in the stable. We've got some library books and things like that Sophie has. And then we also just kind of have a messy couch, a few cups and things like that, and then some blankets on the floor. I also have my ladder because I cannot reach these shelves without it. So I'm going to be cleaning on top of those shelves and those upper shelves that I don't get every time just because they're so far out of reach.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If you have any prayer requests during this difficult time, please let us know in the comments below. We'd be happy to pray for you individually, and we are also praying for you as a group of subscribers and viewers.
La 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 la, I'll be your light. I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and almost late, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang. You know exactly where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and almost late, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop.
Alright, so thus far we have done what, hon?
We have cleaned the shelves, dusted the shelves, we've wiped off the table back here, clock, and we've cleaned the bench in the foyer. Basically, we've cleaned all the surfaces at this point. Now we are going to
I'm going to do the baseboards and you're going to
vacuum the floors.
off to it.
You're like a magnet pulling me in. I run away, hit the road, and almost late, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back, just like a boomerang, just like a
I never thought breakups were pretty. You told a lie, I let you go. You started the words that I completed, but that was then, so long ago. I told you then, like I say now, that we were golden. Now you're not here, you brought us down, I told you so. Oh, how I wish I didn't care, that we were okay, that I could just erase, rewind, let it roll. Meet me back here next year, and I'll be fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. I go to bed to get up early. I go to work and not much change. I met a girl and she's quite funny, but I'm not quite there, ready for love. It's been alright without you here, though it was better when you were there right by my side that long ago. Oh, how I wish I didn't care if I was okay, that I could just erase, rewind, I'm fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. Now winter's here in our old city, and I breathe the fresh air and feel good. Back at the spot where you first kissed me, I don't feel a thing, although I should. I learned my lesson last year, and now I'm fine again. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.